Let's go inside the most ordinary apartment that half of the Russians had and still have. This apartment costs only $150 per month. Oh man, the smell. You have to be here to understand. So yeah, this is our apartment. Let's open it. That's the keys of our palace. It's dark. Oh, hot. So hot here. Okay. Wow. So hot. Where's the lights? Ah! Oh. Yeah, nice. Whoa, so hot here. Okay, let's go. Man, I like the renovation. The owner told me that they renovated the apartment a bit. So cool. Yeah, you have to see it. You have to see it. Yeah, I like it. Nah, and the bed here, it takes me to my childhood because I used to live in pretty much the same apartment. It was kind of bigger, so it's like more for one person or a couple. Oh, I don't feel good. I wanna lay down. I wanna lay down. Oh man. Oh shit. What is it? Oh, what happened? What happened with me? Where I am? Oh my god. Oh my god. I like it. I like it. What is it? I really like this apartment so much. Let's have a review of this beautiful apartment. Apartment tour. Okay, let's start with this big wardrobe where we can put TVs, books, our cups. Cups here are really fancy. We don't usually drink them, only when we have like, I don't know, important guests or like special occasions. Here we can put some clothes, or you can put some clothes if you want to rent this apartment. It's a little bit broken here, but we can live with that. We can definitely live with it. And big bed. All your dreams. You can sleep here, you can do whatever you want here. Also, yeah, look at the sky, man. I actually haven't seen it in the first place. Let's see the kitchen. What's going on here? Oh yeah, you can use this with your coat or whatever you want. Maybe you're a friend. Let's see. Yeah. Wow, this is cool, man. Oh my god. Don't they have any food here? No food. Not food. Maybe something to drink? Maybe some vodka? Okay, what is it? Okay, let's try. Let's check it out. Okay. It's not vodka, believe me. It's pretty simple. You can cook here. Lots of knives, actually. Russian loves knives. You can use them for different occasions. Let's see what's going on here. So many cups, plates. Just enough for, I guess, big family. Okay, and here we put garbage or whatever you want. You can put it here. Here you can cook. I think it works. Here yeah, maybe some. Oh man, what the heck? Yeah, you have to deal with bugs or termites or I don't know, lots of guys. They basically live here. So you won't be bored here because you have lots of friends. I love the decoration part. I really like the kitchen. It's kind of lonely because, no, it's not lonely. You have three chairs. You can play some games here. I like it. It's like, good morning, my neighborhood. Hello. Oh man, you can even like have this Paris type of moment and sit by the window, dream, read your books. I kind of like that the apartment is on the first floor, but in these small towns, it's kind of common that some dude can, get into your apartment. What the fuck? Somebody bite me? Whatever. So some dude can get into your apartment through the window. So it's kind of a bit scary, but you have knives here, so you know how to protect yourself. So I mean, I'm a bit worried, I would say, about this. In the movies, you see that you can really kind of dive in there, but I'm not sure that you can do something like that in this apartment. But okay. I like it. I mean, look at it. Japanese flavors. Bathrooms usually are a bit scary in Russia, so let's open this door. What's going on here? Okay.
So it's kind of good, it's kind of alright. You do whatever you want. Chain, 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 chain. So it's kind of convenient, I would say. Man, look at this. This is kind of legend that in all Russian apartments, the domovoi lives. Domovoi is the guy who protects the apartment from the bad spirits. Now being here, it's like gives so many memories back. I mean, so cool. I like it. I wanna rent this apartment.